Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Students, from this video onwards, we are going to see how to construct a triangle, how to draw a triangle. See, students, before starting the discussion about triangle, let us see what is meant by triangle. Actually, let us revise what is meant by triangle. Okay. Suppose, students, I am randomly drawing one triangle. ABC is a triangle, right? So why it is called as triangle? What is the definition of triangle? What are the characteristics of triangle? Triangle is a figure which is having three vertices, vertex A, B, C, right? Triangle is having three vertices, three sides, side AB, side BC, side AC, means a figure with three vertices, three sides, right, and three angles, like angle A, this is angle A, angle B, this is angle B, and angle C, this is angle C. A figure with three vertices, three sides, three angles, and a closed figure is called as a triangle. That all of you know. Now suppose the information about triangle is given, means now vertex to we know, vertices are nothing but points, so no extra information about them is required, but measurement is related with sides, means this side they either will be in millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, right, meter. So if information about side, means this side is of particular 7 centimeter, this side is suppose 6 centimeter, this side is suppose 5 centimeter. Information about side, measurement about side is given, or measurement about angle is given. Suppose this angle is 55 degree, this angle is suppose 45 degree, and this is suppose 80 degree. Such kind of information is given, and we have to draw a triangle. That we are going to see. Students, three vertices, definitely this information will be available by the name of the triangle. Means if it is said that draw a triangle PQR, so easily you will know that we have to draw triangle PQR, means P, Q and R, these three are the vertices of the triangle, right? Draw triangle XYZ, means easily you will come to know that we have to draw a triangle which is having vertices X, Y and Z. So information about vertices is always available. We have to look at information about sides and edges sorry, sides and angles. So students, whenever information about triangle is given, carefully read the question, first draw a rough figure, and then listen the next trick is there. Suppose information about any side is given, draw that side first. Means suppose BC is 6 centimeter, so it's easy to draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. So what is the advantage of drawing a side first? If information about side is given, then automatically two vertices are located, B and C. We just have to locate the third vertex where it is. So if information about side is given, means line segment is given, always prefer that first. And secondary, if after side information about any angle is given, then draw that angle. Consider we have to draw a triangle DEF where angle E is equals to 70 degree. So if you draw any angle of consider 70 degree, it's not looking like 70, but it's all okay, student. Suppose you draw any angle of 70 degree, you will have two arms, so automatically you will have reference to two sides of a triangle. So always remember a trick in triangle construction. If information about side is given, draw it first, and then second priority. If information about angle is given, then draw it secondary. Clear, students? So let's start. Today we are going to see first type of triangle construction, where information about all three sides of a triangle is given. Consider a question as draw triangle ABC such that length AB is equals to 6 centimeter, length BC is equals to 7 centimeter, and length AC is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay students, suppose we have to draw such triangle. So first step and the most important step is draw a rough triangle. Okay, so let's draw one rough triangle. Suppose I am drawing one rough triangle just by hand. This is triangle ABC. Okay, now read the question carefully. What is the question? Draw triangle ABC such that length AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So AB, this much is 6 centimeter. So in that rough figure, write down measurements. AB is 6 centimeter. Clear? Next is BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So BC is 7 centimeter, right here 7 centimeter, and AC is equal to 8 centimeter, right here 8 centimeter. Clear students? So once a rough figure is drawn and measurement is filled up in that rough figure, then we have to construct the actual triangle. Let's try it now. What is the trick? If information about any side is given, draw it first. Here information about 3 sides are given. So what we have to do? Draw any one side. Suppose I will prefer to draw side BC first. If I will draw side BC, means a line segment of 7 centimeter, automatically point B and C of triangle will be located. I just have to locate point A. So let's draw first side BC of 7 centimeter. Okay students, suppose at 0 centimeter, this is point B, at 7 centimeter, this is point C. Let's connect these 2 points, B, C. Okay guys, so in triangle ABC we have located point B and point C. We just have to find where is point A. This point is somewhere here in this plane. So what information about point A is available? Information about point A is that AB is equals to 6 centimeter, means from B A is at 6 centimeter. So it will be at 6 centimeter from B, maybe here, because from A I can draw 6 centimeter. Suppose I'll keep it here. So this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter from B. This is, so from B it is on the 6 centimeter. So I have to locate all the points which are 6 centimeter away from B. So how to locate it? For here a concept of circle is useful. Students, consider any circle. Suppose I am drawing a circle, this circle of radius 3 centimeter. I am drawing a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Here I am drawing one circle. Consider center is equals to O. Students, radius is 3 centimeter, means every point on the circumference. Suppose this is point A, O and A or X. O and X is equal to 3 centimeter. Suppose here is another point Y. O and Y is equals to 3 centimeter. Here is another point Z. O and Z is equals to 3 centimeter. Here is another point W. O and W is equal to 3 centimeter, means from this center every point on the circumference of the circle is 3 centimeter away. So we can use this technique, this knowledge here. We have to locate all the points which are 6 centimeter away from B, means we have to draw a circle or arc. Circle is not required, we have to draw arc. Why? Because circle, it will give all the points which are located here. Suppose we have to locate the point A here, so these points are useless. Point in this area will be useless. So let's draw an arc with radius equals to 6 centimeter. So for that I have to take distance equals to 6 centimeter in compass. Put the tip of the compass on 0 centimeter, starting line and pencil on 6 centimeter. Okay students, I have taken 6 centimeter. Now what I have to do? I will put the tip of the compass on B and will draw one arc. Now see students, every point on this arc, every point on this arc is 6 centimeter away from B. Clear? See, anywhere you can check, every point on the arc is 6 centimeter away from this. Means this A is on this arc, either here or anywhere on the arc. Clear? Till it is not fixed. It's fixed only that A is 6 centimeter away and A is on this arc. Now what information about A, what another information about A is available in this rough figure, that AC is equal to 8 centimeter. Means A is 8 centimeter away from C, point C, right? So how will we locate it? We will locate similarly as we have located it from B. Means we have to take the distance of 8 centimeter in the compass. Okay, this much distance is 8 centimeter. Suppose I will keep the tip of the compass on C and will draw one arc. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this arc is that every point on this arc is 8 centimeter away from C. Now moral of the story is, every point on this arc is 6 centimeter away from B. Every point on this arc is 8 centimeter away from C, and this point which is on the both arc. So this point which is on the both arcs, this point is 6 centimeter away from B because this is on this arc. This point is 8 centimeter away from C because this is on this arc. Means this is the point A which is 6 centimeter away from B and 8 centimeter away from A. So this is how we can draw a triangle if all its three sides are given. Let's connect this A with B and A with C. So triangle ABC is ready, where BC is equal to 7 centimeter, AB is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equals to 8 centimeter. Was it easy? I think it's super easy for you. So today we learned first type of triangle construction, that is drawing a triangle if all three sides of a triangle is given.